Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom notifications for your daily task with Just in Routine. So with the Just in Routine feature in Modes in Routine, you can now create custom notification alerts for specific times, locations, or even connected devices. So for example, you can have your phone send you a reminder at 9 a.m. daily with a custom sound that says, drink water, or stretch your back, or charge your car. So since this is a new update, you need to go ahead and open up your GoodLock app. Here in the GoodLock app, you want to make sure your Routine Plus app has been updated to the latest version. So if you go ahead and look at this version number, you'll see that the version number is 1.0.68. So you need to have this version in order to have this feature. So once you have that, you can go ahead and open the app. Now here, as you can see, the Routine Plus app has changed a bit. It has been updated. However, there's a new update here, Just in Routine. So now you can go ahead and tap on Just in Routine. And here you can basically prepare what you need to remember easily. So we'll go ahead and create our first Just in Routine. So here you've got a custom preset, transfer, shopping, plant watering, doctor visit, digit-based, exercise, or fuel and recharge. And here we'll go ahead and tap on shopping. So then we'll go ahead and tap on next. So now you can go ahead and give this a shopping. So let's just say your daily shopping. Now you can go ahead and give some details of what you need to buy daily. You can go and press next. Now here you can go ahead and ask it to open an app. So say for example, you do your shopping through Amazon. So you can go ahead and choose Amazon as your app. And then I can go press next. Now here I can go ahead and choose daily, weekly, monthly, or date last digit. So I'll go ahead and choose daily, tap next. And now I can go ahead and choose the time. So let's go ahead and choose 2:47 or 2:48, tap next, and then I'll tap on complete. So now this reminder has been set, Just in Routine. Now if you press home, I'll remove myself from do not disturb. And now when we get to 2:48, you'll see the Just in Routine notification. Now here, this is the notification which we'll get. Now we can go ahead and bring down the notification, and then we can go ahead and look at the notification, and as you can see, it's basically linking it to Amazon shopping. So we can go ahead and tap on open Amazon, and this will basically open up your Amazon shopping app. So no need for third-party apps. It's fully integrated, super lightweight, and keeps you productive by turning your phone into a smart assistant that actually nudges you on time. So there you go, guys. That is how to create custom notifications for daily tasks with Just in Routine on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.